Hello guys, we can continue from this flow direction chart. So I want to off it, and I also want to off this DEM file. So this area we can now move to the further, like a flow accumulation. So by clicking this one and going to geoprocessing, and there is the another option, flow accumulation, in which flow accumulation you can input your flow direction, this one, and this will be the output, will be the output will be the also the flow direction. So can when we run it, so it will be take little bit time. So you can see it, it can be created a flow accumulation if I off the lower one and I save it because it's too much heavy. So you can see it, there is the white pixel which can show the main river. So in order to see it, for example, if I cross it and go to this, and there is the, if I go to unique videos, so they have a unique values, and I think it will be more heavy one. So if you go to the classify, so you can easily see it different value. If you go to the two videos, means I want to only see the main river. So this is the main river. You can if I on the my everything, water, terrain, water references, so it will took some minutes, and you can see easily by seeing this is the main river. If I click on it and go to raster layer, so you can see it. This is the valley in which the river are flowing. So this is the main river. If you are increasing the transparency, and you can also see, if I go to the 10, so it will be created a majority of the tributaries also. So this is our the, and you can also change your color. For example, if I go to this one, so it will be give me a different tributaries in our study area, in which they have a specific values. So mostly I go to the not little bit, only go to three ones. Okay, and the size will be this. Okay, so there is the three main tributaries, so you can change the value also, and you can go to the histogram. So means that this area, the river flow will be maximum at this red one, and the minimum will be green one, and there this will be area where the catchment is occur, means mostly the river come from this area. So you can go to, if I change the color to only like this one, you can easily also show the red one is the main river and the green one is the catchment area. So now we can do the filling, we can do the flow direction. We now go to the flow direction, um, and flow accumulation. Then we can specify only one point, and we can show that from this point which river can flow in which direction. So you can use your shape file. So firstly I go to my um, my view option and go to catalog panel, and I already connect my this folder line feature, and I create a shape file. So whenever you create a shape file, so you give the name like outline 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 watershed, and the polygon, they will be point, and the coordinate system will be the if I go to my current map coordinate system WGS 1984 and run it, so it will be created a shape file. So you can cross it and you can go to your edit mode, and you can go to the create, and you can click it, and so you can this one. And for example, if I pick one pixel like this one for practice, and okay, so this will be my point, and I cross it. And if I go to the this one, properties, if I go to the this will be the color will be the yellow one, and the size will be the 10. So by a flat, so it will be visible my this outline point, so you can easily see it. This will be my point. If I save everything, and I can also save it, so I can also go to the attribute table, so it will also give me the one point is edited, so I want to clear it, so it's okay. Then we want to use the watershed tool. So by I think everything is okay. Everything is okay. So go to the view, go to the geoprocessing. There is the watershed issue. So you can use your input will be the flow direction, the where we can use it flow direction. And flow direction, why? Because it will be give the direction of the flow, where the pixel shows the flow direction. The output will be the line watershed, means from this point we can see it where is the water are flowing. And go to environment, also we go to the watershed, if they have the present water flow direction, water flow direction, water flow direction. Now let's check if something happening. So you can now see it from this graph, that from this point river mainly flow towards in this area. So you can easily see it, that the flow will be toward this area. If I go to this and go to the okay, perfect. So you can see it, the from this point the water is mainly from this area, and the catchment area will be the this outer line will be the catchment area. You can also, if I on this one, okay, if I on no, this one, no, this one, and if I on the go to the symbology and give the 10, so it would be give me the tributaries. Okay, so you can now go to this, now you can go to this and go to transparency. So okay, and go to this and go to transparency. So you now see it from this area. You can, the flow will be like this and this, and the catchment area will be the this one. So you can easily uh, uh, show the catchment area and the river flow. From this point the river flow will be this, and the catchment area will be this. So in order to see that where with the catchment area, by selecting like raster to polygon, so you can easily do it. It's very easily. From this point you can easily create your if I unclick this one and cross it, go to the view table, geoprocessing. There is some issue, there is some raster to polygon. So there is the conversion tool. click on it. Input will be my if I giving the input will be my um, input will be my, for example, if I click this one, so this will be the my input. What is this? Watershed. So shift one and run it. So you can easily see this will be my, if I off this one and go to this, and the color will be no color, and go to the yes, a blue one, and the size will be my 4, and apply out size the 8. So now yes, okay, now the it is the end of the our video, that we can now show that this is our the catchment area where the water are flowing. And if I on, so this is our the catchment area, uh, and this point shows that from this point the river are flowing in this direction. And when we click this one, so this area we show that this is the main or river, and this is the catchment area, and from this point you can move this and this. Whenever you on this catchment area from this, so the polygon will be like this and this, and the river will flow like this one and this one. So any area you can find your catchment area and everything, which can be easily I can show you some like, for example, what is the catchment area. So this is okay. So I on the, so this is the watershed, means the catchment area where water are moving downward, and this is the main river. So we can also see from this blue one is the watershed area where water are coming whenever there is a precipitation, and this is the main river, and this is the outlet where the river are from the main river, this red one, and they are more out from this area. So I think you can learn something from this video. Hope you will be find some new things in ArcGIS Pro into next video.